Welcome to a nation of firsts. A nation regarded as the cradle of both mankind and civilization. A nation that carved monolithic churches and monuments out of rock. A nation whose system of ancient mathematics is the same sophisticated system that modern computers use today. However, I'm not here to tell you about our incredible history and heritage. I am here to tell you about another first for our nation. The magnificent ring-shaped building and dome in the center of Addis Ababa is the Museum of Art and Science. This beautiful piece of architecture stretches across 7 hectares. Its circular shape symbolizes perpetual development, human wisdom, and is testament to Ethiopia's dedication to the future of technology. What makes the Museum of Art and Science so incredible? To start with, even with 2 massive buildings, 80% of the land is still considered green space, with over 4,000 indigenous trees, plants, and colorful flowers. The museum has parking areas and walkways harmoniously connecting it with the other newly constructed parks around it. The garden will have comfortable seating areas, art and entertainment spaces where visitors can wind down and truly enjoy the atmosphere. The larger building sits on 15,474 square meters of land and has a total diameter of 132 meters. It is powered with green energy from our hydropower dams and its rooftop solar farm, while also utilizing natural ventilation system and optimized natural light. Inside, it has nearly 14,000 square meters of permanent and temporary exhibition spaces that are fully soundproofed. This will give visitors a sense of calmness and allow them to fully immerse themselves in the display in peace. It will be a place where the present and future converge in a full 360 immersive and interactive experience that will take one and all on a journey through the art of science and the science of art. Take your first steps into the room of the human condition, where you will take a deep dive into some of humanity's greatest challenges, from nutrition to breakthroughs in medicine. Witness the transformation from traditional herbal medicine to new frontiers in personalized medicine. Explore information and mobility in the room of systems. Get a unique view into how connected technologies impact human progress and how the mobility ecosystem evolves for Ethiopians and the world at large. Catch your breath in any of our themed indoor and outdoor cafes or shops, or sit in the modern amphitheater situated in the middle of the building and enjoy curated talks, creative arts and concerts. And then continue onto the Room of Resources, where you will get to appreciate the gift of water and energy that Mother Nature has bestowed on us. You will also discover how materials will evolve and adapt to our changing needs. Walk through our temporary exhibition spaces that will host shows from various parts of the country and the world. Visit the rooftop to see the green areas and solar farm. Enjoy incredible views of the city while you have a meal at the rooftop restaurant. With a first-of-its-kind planetarium, the purpose of the Room of Exploration will be to inspire the curious, the learners, and the innovators of tomorrow. The hybrid dome sits on just over 1,000 square meters of land and has a diameter of 36 meters. Shows will delve into subjects such as astronomy, geology, and biology, and virtually take visitors on a journey from inner to outer space to examine phenomena on scales ranging from the microscopic to the infinite. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the planetarium can take over 200 visitors at a time. The Museum of Art and Science. This is the future, and the future is now.